It's Chloe. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my makeup collection. So this year, a really big goal of mine is to be more organized, because I'm really not. So yeah, and my makeup is like a mess when I'm filming. Like, I make such a big mess on my table and stuff. So I just want to start the year off right and have my makeup like organized and stuff. I have like a small table that I use to film, and all my makeup was on there to begin with, in like drawers and stuff, and I didn't really have any room to like sprawl things out when I was filming, and I would just throw things on there constantly, and it was really hard to like film with a bunch of stuff everywhere. So I am going to be completely clearing the desk, and I'm not gonna have anything on the desk except my mirror, and then I'm going to bring products over for like when I film videos and stuff. So yes, I have it all sprawled out on this table. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. Yeah, so let's get into organizing my makeup. So next I want to do face. I think I don't have a lot, so I'm just going to use this like little random organizer I got. All my face stuff is all the way like over here, but so I think I'm going to do foundations first. I think I'm just going to start putting them in. I'm gonna put the bigger ones first. Then I'm gonna put my primers as well, just in this little container, as many as I can fit. Alright, so those are my primers. I'm also gonna stick my concealers in here because I'm gonna stick my concealer in here. This is like the only concealer I have. I don't really use it that much, but I was sent it in the Vox box. So, yeah. And then right here, I'm gonna start putting all like my powders. So start with, I'm gonna start with like the thicker ones and then go down, just so there's more like room. I have a little bit more room for stuff if I need when I get more stuff. That's just in here, so if I ever need to pull, I can just pull this whole thing out, or I can come in here and I can like move it and individually grab what I need to. And there's more space in the back and also on the side if I ever need anything. So next, I think I want to do eye stuff. This is a little acrylic container I got from Amazon. It just has 3 drawers. Sure, I think I'm going to put liners and like eye primers, concealers that I use for primers, brows, and liquid shadows. So I'm going to start with liquid shadows. To put like stuff I put for primers. This is the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. I use this a lot. And this is like an old Maybelline concealer that I just use as a eye primer because it's too light for me. And then I have the NYX HD, which I rarely use. I need to use that more. I also have the NYX glitter primer I'm gonna put in there. And then I have some eyeliners. I have black, pink, and white, like liquid eyeliners. And then I have a blue, like actual like pencil liner that does not fit. So I'm gonna see if I can put it back there like that. And then I have 2 brow products. And I'm gonna see, neither of those fit either. So I'm gonna kind of put them on the side just like this. So I reach for them quite a bit, so yeah. I'm just gonna kind of like angle those in there so that they're in there. But that is my first drawer. Second drawer, mascara, so Lash Paradise, CoverGirl Total Tease. Whatever doesn't fit straight, I'm just gonna like do that. Lash Sensational. I'm gonna put all these sideways, I think. And then I have like 3 minis. So I have the Total Temptation mini, a Lash Sensational mini, and a Colossal mini. So those are just gonna go there. Lash glue, I'm just gonna put that up front since I grab it quite often. And then right here I'm gonna put like glitters. So I have 3 of the NYX glitters. I'm just gonna put those up here. And then I have these 3 that I got from AliExpress, I think. So I'm just gonna put those in the back. I like to use these as liners sometimes, like glitter liner. So the lash drawer, I'm just gonna put a little bit. I have a few single shadows, so I'm just gonna put those right here. And I have room down here. I'm gonna put this. I just bought this, so it's not out of the package yet, and I don't want to take it out of the package until I film a haul. So I'm just gonna put that right here since I have extra room. And then once this is opened, it will go up here with the liquid shadows. So I'm just gonna put that there. Okay, good. These lips, this is the only angle I could find that would work, so sorry about that, it's kind of awkward. But these I found at Goodwill, and they were, let me see, $3.99. And these are from Target, and they're normally, like, they're the Made by Design brand, and it says they are like the nail center. I don't know how much these are. If I find them, I will like link them below, and also like I'll put the price on here. But I literally got these for $4, and they're like sturdy, thick acrylic, really well made. So I found both of these, but when you put like a liquid lipstick, there's so much room. So I find you can even put like 2, sometimes 3 liquid lipsticks. So that's how I'm going to do it because it saves space, like doing more. So I have 2 of these. The way I like to organize my lipsticks is by brand, not really by color, just by brand. And I also like to do it like tallest to shortest. lipsticks. This is how they're gonna go, and I'm going to put them in the drawer. So that is what they look like in the drawer. There's lots more room back there, and there's like room in here in case I want to put any more. But yeah, so I can see them all, and I can just grab what I need. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, give a thumbs up, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye!